is the concept divergent muscle pulley. We know what is concurrent force system. We know what is total muscle force. We know what is total muscle force. Now we are going to see what is this divergent muscle pulley. It is going to give the information that if a muscle is contracting, how the action line will produce, in which direction. That is nothing but a muscle divergent pulley. So first we will see deltoid muscle as example. So suppose now we are seeing a person in sideline like this sideline. So here we will be having deltoid muscle insertion over the deltoid tuberosity. This is anterior deltoid direction. This is posterior deltoid direction. According to concurrent force system. So here I am going to draw the one force parallel to the posterior deltoid and one force parallel to the anterior deltoid. The resultant force will form in diagonal shape. Resultant. This is the resultant. And one more point. Here we will be having middle deltoid also. So now resultant plus middle deltoid and resultant will act together. In the abduction of the shoulder. So what this point is saying, if two muscle forces are there, according to our concurrent force system, here resultant force will form, and here we will be having one more middle deltoid also is there. So the middle deltoid and resultant force will work together. Second example, suppose we are seeing the person in anteriorly. Here we will be having sternum. This is our clavicle. So what is the adductor muscle? Pectoralis major muscle is there. So here this is the insertion of the pectoralis major. We are not doing anything deep, just simply to understand what is differential muscle pulley. So here we will be having clavicular portion of the pectoralis major muscle. And here will be this section will be having sternal portion of the pectoralis major muscle. From clavicle, pectoralis major will go and insert here. From sternal portion, pectoralis major muscle will go and insert here. So these two directions. So if we draw polygon method, so here this is for sternal, this is for clavicular portion, this is for sternal portion of pectoralis major muscle. The direction of the muscle will be like this. Resultant will be diagonal. This is the FMS. So what it means, if these two muscle fibers are contracting, the direction of the muscle action will be in direction of the muscle action will be this direction. So that's why we are going to get adduction. This is the pectoralis major muscle. So these two are examples for the divergent muscle pulley. So like this we will be having so many in our human body.